Please notice that this is not real. Please do not take this seriously. This is only a scenario. Thank you.
Heroes to show you why life at Stalag 13 is a blast. Where else do the prisoners take pot shots at people?
Hey, watch where you're shooting!
Where else is the Commandant the fall guy? And where else could you find Sergeant Schultz? It's no wonder the prisoners get into all kinds of mischief. And it's no wonder they look up to a man like Colonel Hogan.
Hear that, Carter? You bet I did, Colonel Now! Now!
Why not drop in on Stalag 13? You'll meet the greatest bunch of screwballs in the world.
Who doesn't want the market?
That's a little loud.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. A massive launch of nuclear missiles has taken place from North Korea. 5 of these missiles have already hit Japan and South Korea, and 2 are on course for the United States. According to NORAD, 1 missile is headed towards Alaska and the other is headed for Hawaii. Estimated impact in about 10 minutes for Alaska and 13 minutes for Hawaii. Residents in these states should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear weaponry. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. If you are near a fallout shelter, go to this location now. As a last resource, go to a basement or underground shelter and place as many objects as you can between you and the outside. Take a battery-powered radio and listen for further statements and updates. This is an emergency action notification. The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcast stations, cable systems and wireless connections shall transmit this notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news to the public in assigned areas. You are listening to the emergency alert system. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
Around, please. That's fine. Oh, Mr. McMurray, it's just going to be wonderful.
Oh, you mean the fact that our show's going to be on CBS this fall, huh?
Your show? Oh, no. The Tales.
Oh.
It's really none of my business, but, you know, I've always kind of thought of you as more of the casual type. Don't you think this is getting kind of fancy?
Well, you see, the Tales are for a wedding.
You're getting married.
No, I'm not getting married. Mike and Sally are getting married.
Mike?
Mike's the oldest of my 3 sons.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Well, just look at it this way. It's not so much as you're losing a son, you're gaining a new network.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. The nuclear attack is only a false alarm. Please continue daily routine for your day.
sağlasın. Ekonomi